having that over here. We got our boy Anthony right there. How you doing?
Good.
Instagram's right there. We got Bailey right here, of course, as you already know. So
we're doing it today, boys.
bittersweet.
It's starting.
Bittersweet. The teardown commences now, and then we got everyone's favorite AutoZone employee.
What?
Brandon.
Oh, that's right. I redid my training, so now I have to say I am an employee of AutoZone, but my views do not necessarily represent those of AutoZone. Anytime I'm on social media, I'm supposed to say that if I'm.
Are you serious?
You dead ass serious?
Well, anytime
anytime
something about like auto, if I ever say anything about AutoZone.
But they like you have a YouTube channel. You go, I may work for AutoZone, but my views do not necessarily represent those of AutoZone Incorporated.
Because I mean, I've done it before, but like they made me redo it.
Yeah.
It's like refresh us. You have to do it once a year.
AutoZone will not be unionized.
That kind of spooked me out when I was in training.
Like,
and they were like, "We do not do unions. They're unproductive. You won't." No.
But anyways, we here to commence the first teardown, the only teardown, hopefully. But we're gonna see how this goes. You guys saw in the last 288 update video right here. We got the big boy turbo right there. That's some big stuff. It's going down today. It's all starting today. It's bigger than my head.
I'm thinking about deleting my PCB as well as
That was. Oh, we got two more boys showing up. We got everyone's favorite Fiesta owner.
We've been here.
I know, but you weren't in the video. And then we got everyone's favorite E36 owner, Robert, right there. How you doing?
Robert's not my favorite E36 owner.
Wow, really? I take that one.
No. Here, let me finish. He's my #1 E36 owner.
Here, man. Come here.
Done good.
I love you. We're changing lives out here.
He's not my favorite because he's the best. I don't play favorites. Let me tell you why Papa Murphy should come back to business.
No. Sure, you pay $20 for a medium-sized pizza and you still have to go home and bake it.
Pizza. What is wrong
You
with
still have to go home and bake it yourself.
Yeah. So it lasts for
Just
days.
buy a DiGiorno.
No, it's fine. I'll be right there. Bye.
Yeah.
You're gonna need a new one. It's all cracked.
Brandon, it's from Pizza Hut. Oh, that's fine.
Help!
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 Alright, more clout for the culture. We got Matt Spool Jr. pulling up. Oxbeam just reposted his picture. He's getting all the Instagram clout right now, so go give him some more. You got some Pizza Hut over here. Some papy plates. Some good old hose clamp action.
Hey Jeremy, if you make millions off of the lottery one day, I want credit.
Alright, I'll give you like 20 or something.
Thanks,
Jeremy,
bud.
20 or something.
Maybe 2 if
You make millions, buy me bags.
Buy me a new car.
Yo,
Oh, how the tables have turned.
Yep. This right here. Now off.
they have more like
It's fun though. I watch you do it too, Sam. Don't touch shit.
I only
breaking
pick clips I know I can win though.
Yeah, see, I just like
They're all
to have an
from-
excuse to go fast.
they're all from
You went after a
79, so they all
48
want to break.
Oh, I just wanted to ride behind him. I was just like, oh, I want to hear it.
For example,
He left me though. I was like, oh.
broken.
I can only imagine you
And
try
broken.
to line it up with them and you're like,
Talk more shit.
I'm gonna see how bad this is.
Me or him?
I'm cutting those off anyway. So.
Fight me.
The RB25 ones.
No, let me
Label one.
talk about that brown shit.
Oh.
Label.
Oh my goodness.
Label one.
I will.
Oh Bailey, while you're at this, you should pull off your AC condenser. Everything uses the same clip.
There's like it's like a staple. It's like this
Oh,
thing.
I see it. I see it.
This
little guy right
thing,
here?
you gotta, like get it off. My hand's too fat. I don't have a fingernail. It should just like pop right.
You want to
down
use
and
it?
pull
You
it
could
off.
use a knife.
See the flashlight? Yeah, if you give me like a flathead or something, I can probably get it off.
Sam, of course, is pulling out a knife.
My WMD.
Hey, you see Eric's tweet about you the other day?
No.
That shit was funny.
From over here.
Eric tweeted about me?
He dead ass did. He didn't
He
tag
subtweet you?
He subtweeted you.
Fuck. Is this gonna hurt?
Thank you.
Yeah, you can get it. This angle is so much easier to get
I don't try to steer the conversation into the fact that I carry a knife.
No,
Did I mention that I carry
Look
a
at the
knife?
replies. Look at the replies.
no, because someone's like knife, and then you just turn around and you're like,
They all said you subtweeted me the other day. I never cut a piece of fried cheesecake with a knife in the middle of the mall. You got beef?
Yeah. So like,
I'll pull up at your home.
wow, a lot of that wiring was just for the fucking,
Jesus Christ.
was just for the injectors.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then a couple sensors. There's still one more in there I gotta get to.
So it's like the cold start sensor. You're an idiot.
Is that one the same thing? or
You're
is
an idiot.
just
It was a whale.
What?
You're an idiot. It was a whale.
We're not doing
It
this.
was a whale.
We're not doing this.
Brandon,
No.
I'm glad you're here because I've got some things to say to you. All right, say to you too. All right. Listen here, you hot-headed, smart sheen looking ass. All right.
At least I'm not saying that sharks are the size of fucking buses.
It was not the size of a bus. Brandon, to you, the size
100 feet up. 100 feet up.
It wasn't.
We were 100 feet up.
Yeah.
100 feet.
And it was
We
like,
were not 100 feet up.
Yes, we were.
remember?
We Googled
You were
it.
like, I wonder how tall this is.
We
And
were
I was
like-
maybe
we were like
70, and Sam's
50.
like,
No, it's 100
No,
feet.
no, no,
100
no,
feet.
no, no,
Jake,
no,
it
no,
was
no.
100 feet.
The pier. Oh, Jesus. Was 100 feet. And it was a fucking whale.
Brandon, so
Did you look up
Tell
memory
me-
bias? Did you look up memory bias?
is this how a whale moves?
Did you-
Is this how a fucking whale moves?
No, it's not how a whale moves. But did you look up memory bias?
Because I'm not going to give in to your communist agenda.
It's not.
Know what you didn't talk about though? How whales don't have dorsal fins, and that one had a dorsal fin.
No, it didn't.
Then what was this on top of it?
It didn't have one.
Yes, it did.
Brandon,
This is what I'm talking about,
ever
memory
read
bias.
up
This is
on
why I'm
memory
not
bias?
basing the fact that I saw it.
Spotlight guy.
Okay, but the whales aren't there. They're.
I'm not saying, oh, the tail
There
is
was
the
a bird
shape
thing
and it
around.
had a dorsal fin. No, I'm saying that we saw something big in water. It's Huntington Beach. There is whale watching. There is whale watching businesses. Whales are common in those waters. So therefore, we can assume it was whale. I'm not going off the fact that I saw it and it had a dorsal fin and the tail was horizontal. We saw something big in the water. There are whales.
And it was a shark.
And they are common there. You're going off the fact that I saw the tail. You
Yeah.
thought it was a fucking whale shark the first time we saw it. You were looking at it and you're like, is that a fucking whale shark?
Which is a shark, mind you.
It is a shark, I was wrong. But whale sharks are fucking huge.
Yeah, I realize.
And in the tropical ocean.
See it better, and you can get the other.
Do I look like a fucking marine
So
biologist?
you
to
wanted it to be a shark from the get-go. So therefore, 24 hours later, your head has convinced you that you saw a tail doing this.
Which I did see.
No, you didn't.
I did see.
No, you
Big
didn't.
fish had tail.
No. You know when you like bend over the engine bay and your
Yeah.
legs bend backwards?
I was gonna use the jack to put it up on the things.
We need a squat garage, man, with a lift. Why are we using hand
coming.
tools?
What?
Why are we using
Because I don't
hands?
have an adapter for the screw.
Don't we get scoliosis doing this?
I already have it. It's not that bad.
You got mild
I'm just kidding. It's horrible, Brandon. I live with constant pain, and my back hurts.
I was born with paper skin and glass bones.
I don't think you picked up on what I said at all.
No, I didn't.
I said I live with constant pain, and my back hurts.
You fucking depressing piece of shit.
This is Datsun, not Nissan, bro. Totally
shit,
different.
you're right.
Totally different.
You're right.
I don't know.
Nissan.
Scribbled over in marker with the rat.
Give me a sausage bowl.
Are you serious?
No.
What this one? I held on the fuel pressure regulator. We can unscrew it and get to it, but like I threw it and just went. I didn't even see it. I'll get it though. No worries.
What are you doing?
He's being seen.
Was
What you do is you get
Get a brick.
you just
Honestly, Culture 2 is a letdown.
You're a letdown.
Okay.
first you need to break the seal.
Well, that's what we were trying to do.
Oh shit! I got.
Because it's already cracked on that side.
So much easier than it's like mostly integrals, right? It's other stuff because we did integrals second semester. It's like
The injectors are like
Bumper anyways. The only thing I just don't want it like getting too
No
much.
floor pan work.
I know, right?
Meanwhile, out here, big moves coming for Anthony.
Yeah.
He's just taking off some of the 3M tape that's left from his easy lip. But big moves coming, a lot of
thing
arrow.
coming
lot
Monday.
Of arrow. Yeah.
Monday it should be at my house, so
Oh, nice. All right.
you guys will get a teaser of that.
Yeah, we'll get.
I did tease it last week on my Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram,
follow him on
follow
Instagram.
me. I'll probably be teasing it again sometime this week.
Damn.
Oh, I thought that was something.
Bonked it.
I thought that was something here and it was about to fall. That's what I was like.
Oh, here we go.
There's so much fuel.
Finally.
fuel rail. What a complex
Can I have
fuel rail.
Hey Jeremy, can you give me a paper towel?
Wow, look how much more room that gives you.
I know, that's why I tried to go for this first.
Oh, these are the seals for the...
Can you use it? I think the coolant stuff is next.
I mean, if we... They already use...
If we take the cold start valve off, pull this off.
Oh, and you guys know, just casual plastic dipping in the driveway. He's really plastic dipping this because mean rock chip right there.
Yeah, that happened a while ago, and then I had the plastic dip on it.
Yeah.
And
had the dip on, and then when you were taking the tape off just now.
Yeah, because I had the easy lip on there for a while, and when you pull off the 3M, it literally just ripped off all the plastic dip. So, again, preparation next week.
Hey, it's all about the come up. All about the come up. All right, so Bailey's lubing some stuff up right now.
It's not lube. Just trying to give it something to like
displacing water and rust. That's the only difference.
All right, Jake's gone. What are we gonna say to the camera?
We're better than him. Got it. There you go. Got it without breaking it. I am.
Wow, why does he always do this to us? That's such an ass move. Like, why doesn't he hold it above us?
Right? It makes it look so
we
much
look
better.
so much better, and then he's just like,
Anyways.
Thank you. See, why? He's just lazy. You know what it is? He doesn't want to put in the work
because it
to
takes
hold
effort.
it up high.
It takes
enough.
effort to go up.
Because he can't just get like a lighter camera.
Hold on. Hold this. Okay. No, hold the camera. The last vlog I did for him, so when he goes to edit it, he sees my fucking forehead.
Just like.
All right, Brandon's pulling out a saw.
Oh, I don't think I'm actually gonna do it.
What exactly did you do?
So there's a pipe. It's the EGR, exhaust gas recirculation, and it takes exhaust gas and puts it into the intake to burn hydrocarbons that don't get burned.
You don't have to explain what it is, dude.
He can cut it out, but if he wants to put it in, he can. Basically, Bailey's deleting it, and we don't have the right size wrench, so we're just gonna cut it off and then pull everything off when it's out of the car. Because it's easier to cut it than it is to. You'll see when it comes out.
Yeah.
I'm down to go to Arizona.
Kind of jealous.
I'll open carry while I'm there.
Oh my god. Get out of here.
I opened carry right here, dude.
Whoa, hey!
What'd you pack? I drew first. I already won.
You might have caught on fire.
I might have lost a bit of fucking skin.
Alright guys, not gonna lie, Brandon almost just caught on fire right there. The light kind of fell on him, and that's a very hot light. So it's keeping that side of the room warm, not our side. Our side is dead cold. It's like, Brandon, what do you think it is? It's like 9 degrees.
It's like 7.
7, yeah.
Just a boot.
Just a boot. We live in that Canadian weather, but you can like see our breaths and shit. It's like this.
Breaths and shit.
It's probably gonna snow, but that's alright. But
It snowed the other day.
anyways,
Technically.
let's go over a little bit of the progress that we made today on the beginning of the teardown.
I've extracted every bolt ever made in humanity underneath this fucking heat shield. That's the progress we've made.
But, decent amount of progress. Fuel rail and injectors are right there. All the vacuum lines and everything's disconnected. Just
know how to fight tetanus.
all the you get a shot for it. Yo, I just got my booster. You need some of me? Like, I'll bleed into you.
Yeah, dude. Blood brothers.
All the top bolts are off the intake manifold. You gotta loosen the exhaust ones to pop the intake manifold off. But it's cold. We're tired.
No, I'm not.
We'll get grinding on it tomorrow.
Yep. Just stay tuned, guys. We got plenty more videos coming out soon, so lots of good stuff coming. This
Next, the manifolds are coming off, and then it's clean up, prep, slap everything back together, and start measuring for exhaust and intake.
Yep. So
And figuring out the injectors.
the teardown will continue in an upcoming video.
Stay
And stay tuned.
Miatas are coming this summer.
Yeah, Eric's wheel's coming, so. Fuck you, Brandon. Alright, but we'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care. Oh!
Fucking
Catches the whole engine bay and goes in front.
except for the heat shield, I bet.
I'd hope so.